But I started at 3:30 and then finished till 7:30. Fun. Ugh, not too much.
The extension?
Yeah. Not dirty, but it's a mess. There's a difference. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't seen my old video, my first apartment video, I suggest you go ahead and check that out. I'll give you a base of what's going on. Yeah, we're here. Back it up. Don't talk too much now. Don't talk too much. Let's get into it. I hope you guys truly enjoy this video. If you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. A lot of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. You guys just watch and then click off. I don't know what's going on, but help a girl out. You know what I mean? Help me out. If you're gonna come back to my channel, might as well subscribe. But let's get into it. Bob the Builder. So it's gonna go right here. Behold. Finally done. Look, y'all, it's touchscreen right here.
You know your Wi-Fi number? Okay, what the current is what?
120. So cute. TV is on and it's leaning on the wall because I don't have the foot. Y'all, I propagated, I think that's what it's called, my plant. And look at the roots. It needs to be planted obviously in soil because the roots are rooting. I'm trying to put this floor lamp together that I got from Amazon. It's super cute, but I'm tired and I'm hungry. This is supposed to be a simple setup. Why do I need a wrench? I'm tired. First of all, we gotta talk about how long it took me to set up the TV stand.
It's cute and all,
but I started at 3:30 and then finished till 7:30. Kid you not. And the manual said that it would take an hour, 1 to 2 hours. It says who? First of all, it says who. So I'm tired of my apartment having a whole bunch of boxes and whatnot. So I'm just trying to get all those boxes out of here, which I did take all that trash. So I showed you all that trash earlier. It's gone. I just packed it in my car and loaded it, but I keep hearing stuff. But look how clear and nice and pretty and sleek and crisp this lampshade is. This mirror is perfect for this space. Look how perfect this is. Like, what I need, and now I gotta figure out where to put this lamp because I feel like these tables look so crowded, so I gotta figure out what to do with that. I'm just gonna be organizing my bathroom, getting it together. It's a hot mess. It's not dirty, but it's a mess. There's a difference. Fun. Ugh, not too much. I'm also gonna organize underneath the sink. Like I said, not too much. It's a hot mess as well. we're gonna get this baby, we gonna get it together. Let's do it. I bought a large container to put the products underneath the sink in. I got these from Target. This was like $3.50, and it comes in all kinds of different sizes. As you can see, if you can, you can. If you can't, sorry. By the way, I took him to the dog park today, and homie is not tired. Why aren't you tired? Why aren't you tired? Like, that don't make sense. That does not make sense to me, honestly. Okay, this wig is about to go in the trash. This thing is so matted. So I got these shelves from Amazon, and let me take it out so you guys can see how it looks. That was not censored. It's not. This is what the bathroom is looking like. This is the after. Huge difference. This is what the cabinets are looking like. It looks like it hasn't been organized, but I promise you I just have too many things. That's the problem. Got my little hand stuff. I put all my perfumes here. My face towels. I put this. You are the bubbles to my bath. My shower curtain is up now. I put this up here. I haven't put up those up yet because it says to give it 12 hours to adhere. So that is what I'm doing. And I have this rug down. It's a runner. It's not a bath rug, but the rug is reversible. But I chose to put it on the white side because I wanted the white theme. And I have this little bucket right here, this basket with towels and stuff in it. So when I have guests come, they can grab it, or when I need a new one. And yeah, that's my bathroom. Get it together. We gotta get together because this is driving me nuts.